Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show how to split multi-quantity invoice lines into single line items. Splitting an invoice line into multiple lines allows you to quickly build repeat items by duplicating the same invoice lines several times. You can split the same line up to 100 times on a single invoice, making it easier to manage and track recurring charges. In this video, we will start on the invoice screen. For more information regarding the invoice screen, please refer to the invoice screen navigation and use user manual linked in this video's description. Once you have entered the necessary ICD-10 codes, click on the code field and add the billing code you want to use. Enter a quantity, which must be more than one that you wish to bill, in the quantity field. Once the quantity has been set, click on the repeat item in single lines button. An attention pop-up will appear, informing you that the selected item will be converted into multiple separate lines. Click on the OK button to continue. Please allow a few seconds for the system to update the screen, especially when a significantly high quantity is being used. The line will now be split into the number of lines you requested. This feature is particularly useful for pathologists and labs that need to bill the same codes multiple times.